Hi, this video is from interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. If you're looking for a job, you can log on to interview.com and you can post your resume with us. In this video, I'm going to talk about what is code refactoring. Refactoring was originally defined by Martin Fowler and Ken Beck. Code refactoring is a process of changing a computer program's source code without modifying its external functional behavior in order to improve some of the non-functional attributes of the software. Advantages include it improves the code readability, and it will reduce the complexity to improve the maintainability of the source code, as well as more expressive internal architecture or object model to improve extensibility. Eliminate code duplication and dead code. So code refactoring, it's like without changing the functionality. For example, before code refactoring, if the source code has two features, still it will have the two features after the code refactoring. So there won't be any new feature or functionality changes, only the internal architecture or code changes will be done. The structure of the application will be changed in order to improve the code readability. So these are the few points that will be focused during the code refactoring. We will try to eliminate the code duplication and dead code. Code duplication, multiple places in the application will have the same code. You need to identify it and remove it. Dead code, there will be code existing in the application, but it does not do anything. That's what the dead code, you have to remove it. Makes the application design and logic very clear with commands, and the name of the method and the name of the class should be appropriate, and creating abstract classes and interfaces properly. Always simplify the code and to make it easier to understand. 10 lines of code per method, it's the appropriate, and 30 methods can be it is recommended for a single class. So if it is doing more responsibility, you should apply the single responsibility principle and create more classes. Make changes so that it helps to extend easily in future. Appropriate interfaces, abstract classes, and you should have a proper design, and you should also apply design patterns. Apply single responsibility principle and other design principles in the existing code. Single responsibility principle means a single class should always handle single responsibility. In the sense, account, say for example, you have an account class. If it is handling debit and savings account and the current account, you should in the single class you should move that savings to a different class and current account to a different class. You should not do multiple responsibility in a single class. Without changing the functionality, change only the internal structure of the code for easy maintenance. Separate layers within the application properly. DAO layer, service layer, control layer in the case of MVC. So you should have appropriate layers. So I just want to give you a simple example so that you can understand. So this is, for example, the current code which is working properly and no problem in the functionality wise. But when I read, as a developer, someone reads this code, it's really messy and it takes a lot of time to understand and to maintain it. If you want to extend this code, it takes a lot of time. So after code refactoring, what happens? We have proper methods and proper name, and the maintenance of the code is really good. And if you want to extend, you can understand easily the part of code and you can start extending it. So this is what before code refactoring, and this is how it looks like after code refactoring. This is about code refactoring. Few tips I've given. It's a very big topic, and if you want to read further, you can read this Code Refactoring by Martin Fowler, an excellent book which gives you a lot of refactoring techniques, and it will be really helpful for you for your coding. Hope this video is useful for your interview preparation. Thank you and all the best for your interview. Thank you.